Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. It is no secret if you follow me that I love Temu, but the number one thing that I love Temu for is shopping for my kids on there. Baby stuff, toddler stuff, toys, clothes, anything for kids. Temu is a place to go. If you're a mom or you have a lot of kids in your life and you're not shopping on there, you're truly missing out. It's been almost a year since I started shopping there and I've accumulated so many kids must-haves. So I thought I would do kind of like a huge recap compilation of things that I truly swear by, that we use all the time, that my daughter loves. I did a video like this on regular Temu items for the household and clothes for me and things like that, but this is solely kids items that I love from Temu. I have everything linked down below. You can also use my discount code if you haven't already, and let's get into it. If you're gonna listen to me on one thing, it has to be the Temu bamboo pajamas. They're incredible. I cannot recommend these enough. Like max $10. And y'all, I've gifted them for baby showers. I've been using the 2-set pajama version on Olivia because obviously baby boy still not here. But y'all, I'm so excited to have these this time around because bamboo pajamas are $40+, especially on cute prints. And they have solids, they have ribbed, they have cute prints. I'm just so excited to see him in these. If you're a mom or a grandma or you have kids in your life, you know how quickly kids outgrow shoes, but also how expensive kids' shoes can be, even from affordable places. So Temu has been my go-to. I don't pay more than like $13 for shoes. Most of them are like $8. And they are great quality. They have great house shoes, everyday shoes like slippers, but also sneakers. These little shoes are super comparable to ones that I got up from Zara for like $40, and I get them on Temu for sometimes $4. Dress up shoes that they'll only wear a few times, or even like baby shoes that they probably will wear like once or twice. Just highly recommend overall checking out their shoes. Another one of my favorite things to get from Temu is any sort of dinnerware and plates and cute cups for toddlers especially. They do have silicone ones, but I usually tend to stray away from silicone just because it does change the taste of the food. But they have so many cute plastic ones, a lot of Disney stuff, little bowls, and we've had these for months and they are still holding up. We put them in the dishwasher. I've been pretty impressed with the quality. The cutters for food and other things for Olivia are all from Temu, all of them in this bin. All the little toothpicks and forks that you see here. The mini ones are her favorite. There's also animal ones. These sleeves for the popsicles are all Temu. I have so many toys from Temu. It's like not even funny. This one I actually got for her for Christmas. It was half the price than most toy stores and she loves it. This has been a game changer ever since I bought it. She's played with it every single day, no joke. Every single one of these, starting here, $3. Same here. This she loves. These little fishies with the magnets and the fishing rod. Great for coordination and fine motor skills. We play with that one a ton. She also plays with this one a ton, like super consistently. We almost always have it out. The cars are pretty small, so I don't recommend for a younger toddler. These eggs I wanted to get for her a while ago because they're the same ones that Miss Rachel has, and I'm glad I waited until she was older so she can open it herself. But she loves these. Some of them come with a carton, but I got this one from Anthropology because I'm bougie, what can I say? Okay, so these are pretty cool, but I think she might be a tad young for it. She still played with them. They were like her little stocking stuffers. You just find the matching key, and then you need to use a little bit of force to unlock them, and then you kind of repeat the process. There's like 3 keys. Yeah, so you kind of have to see the number and match it to the right vehicle, but she did like it. I just think it'll be one of those toys that we use more in the future. Same deal for non-educational baby toys like this, just for sensory things when they're younger. Things like this, they're so inexpensive there. I'm talking like a few bucks. This walker I got for half the price that it was on Amazon from Temu. It's like a fidget wheel and she actually loves this. We keep it in the car. So many of her bath toys I've gotten for super cheap on Temu. They have basically the same thing that Amazon sells, but for way less. Like these little letters and cars are so fun, and they also have stuff for younger babies like silicone toys. All of these are Temu. That one underneath there, They've held up great. I wash them probably once or twice a week, and they are a great material. The bamboo ones are also really good, but they run small. I got these recently. I think they're the cutest thing ever. You get 6 pairs of socks with like the little Mickey ears for only $3. I've also found a lot of good quality embroidered items for kids, especially clothes. I about died when I saw this shirt for only $6. I haven't bought her a ton of TEMU clothes lately, so the ones that we had she probably outgrew and I put in storage, but I've been thrifting lately, so I don't have like a ton to show you that's from there, but this is from there. These basic ones are from there. Oh, I got her these jeans, but they're way too big. They'll probably fit her in like a year and a half. And this sweater is also TEMU. All her swimming diapers were from TEMU this summer, and I recently started getting her socks from there too. Little hats or winter accessories that you know they'll outgrow by next season. Same with like baby shoes that you know they won't wear for more than you know, a few months. This monitor holder for baby monitors or security cameras is incredible. I wish I had TEMU way back when, but now we have it and it's just such a game changer. Okay, lots of things for Olivia's hair. I have 2 of these little spray bottles. One I use for my self tanner, the other one for her hair. The personalized hair brushes, I mean every single one of my friends has one. Not only are all 4 of these little boxes from TEMU, I believe they come in 2 packs, but I will say I did have to use my own adhesive. I just forgot to add this one because the one that comes with it does not stick to the wall, but the boxes are so convenient. And then I also get the little rubber bands and all the little hair accessories from TEMU as well. And then I've gotten a few little hair brushes for her hair. Her hair's not long enough to see if this really works detangling it. Actually, except for these little ones, all of these are from TEMU, including the bow holder. Another hair thing that I use for Olivia every single time I do her hair is this comb, and I need to restock this. I'm literally about to run out, but this Q-tip holder every single day. A great place to get super affordable puzzles. Obviously, as you can see, the quality is not necessarily great, but it's not like a 1 to 2 year old can read anyways. For shape recognitions, they have animals, they have all sorts of things. Crafting supplies too. This little toy she got recently, and she loves it. She played with it non-stop for days. These little magnet letter recognitions, they also have fruits and other stuff. Great for on the go, that way they don't fall out. We usually keep this in the car. And for travel, these busy books are incredible and so cheap on TEMU. And if you're trying to homeschool or something like that, they do have a lot of things for that. I've got emotions, the months, days of the week, the seasons. One of my favorite things to get her are these little wind-up cars. She loves them. Construction vehicles, taxis, trash trucks. They're pretty small though, so keep that in mind. They do have bigger ones, but obviously these are pricier than the little one. These she really liked when she was younger, like a year and a half to 2 years, but now as you can see, she discovered how to unscrew them, and I find them a little dangerous. Like, there's very tiny parts, so I wouldn't recommend, even though they're pretty inexpensive. Don't want to have the choking hazard. I don't necessarily love buying like wooden toys like this on TEMU. I find them to be a little pricier, but I got this little toaster set that she really likes. It came with this, a knife, the butter, the jam. She likes it. She's not like super into it, but she likes it. Then a while ago, I got this ice cream scoop set. So it came with a cone, it came with the scoop, but it's not magnetic. I recently upgraded to one from Melissa and Doug. Those are way bigger, so less of a choking hazard, and they're magnetic, so way easier for them to grab. Just think they're a little small and they're not magnetic, so they're not as easy to play with. This is an example of like a pretty deceiving one that ended up working out for us, but look how small these little fruits are. They're almost like little erasers, and they came with these like silicone cupcake molds instead of cups. I ended up keeping because she really liked it so much, but needless to say, these are a choking hazard, and the little green parts come apart from the fruit. Just be warned. And this was $14, y'all. I'm doing a toy declutter before baby boy gets here, and I'm donating a bunch of Olivia's toys. This is one of them. She just doesn't really seem super interested in it, and just like, it's a nice toy. It's wooden and it's pretty and all the things, but she never plays with it, so I'm donating that. And then she got a double of this for her birthday, like a bigger one that is like better quality because the cord on this fell off. I thought I would donate this so someone else can have it. Olivia's room could be a Temu catalog. We have this little night lamp. So nice. It was like $8 and it makes the cutest decor. The moon, I showed her somewhat recently. This is for her little baby elf that I also got from Temu, but the crib is also Temu. This is also Temu. That's my grandma. So many of her pillows and her stuffed animals are from Temu. I found another pillow. Also my go-to place for stuffed animals. This little one that looks like the jelly cat is from Temu. The little Be Happy one. So many, and they're so affordable. These little cars are from Temu. I got them for $3. This little spatula for his booty is also Temu. Got 3 of these little horses. I will say they are 100% plastic, but they came with mounting stuff, like sticky stuff, and the actual tools if you actually want to mount it. I'm still decorating my son's room, so I don't have a ton of prints hanging, but Temu prints have literally changed my life. There's so many. They are so good. Any like art that's in the public domain printed on there, and I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's actually textured, so it doesn't look super cheap. So guys, that's everything for today's video. Those are just all the things that I could find as of now, but if you guys want to see a part 2 or even like a newborn or baby essentials when baby boy is here, let me know and I'll go ahead and do that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one.